And as I can see, there's something not right, because I think 4 bolts are missing to attach top part and the bottom part. But again, it's quite easy to fix. So all we need to do is to go to the standard part library in the components panel. And we can simply type the number of bolts we need. And after that, we can change the parameters in the properties panel. And of course, you can use the multiple insertion, or you can use an array to create. Now we inserted one part. Just to demonstrate that you can change the parameters after insertion. Okay. And now 3 more parts. Okay, now it's almost done. And of course, you can select them afterwards and change parameters. For example, if your design has been reworked and you need smaller bolts or bigger bolts, or maybe a bit longer bolts. So you can change the size, for example, to a very small one. But I think for this model, it's better to leave it as it is.